Just consider these equations 1, 2, 3. Now consider this equation. These three equations, they involve independent and dependent variables, but this equation involves variables as well as derivative of the dependent variable y with respect to independent variable x. This is a general equation, normal equation without any derivative, but with a derivative, any function with a derivative of y with respect to x, this is known as differential equation. So this equation, which involves derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, is called the differential equation. Any of this form is the differential equation. So what we will do is dy by dx, because most of the time we will be dealing with dy by dx a lot, we may write it as y dash, this as y double dash, this as y triple dash, d3 y by dx3, and even you can opt some other option, or you can symbolize like this. This can be written as y1, this can be y2, this can be y3, and so on and so forth for yn.